Hey there, how are you doing today? Good to see your beautiful face. Yeah, so I came across this article very recently uh, online, and it talks about the US trying to acquire TikTok. Okay, so it talks about Trump having signed the documents that would make the US acquire TikTok around $18 billion. Okay, and it struck me, it got me uh, curious. So, I had to go, I had to pay close attention to the platform. Recently, I have also noticed here that there are some changes going on the platform. Okay, and it also includes things that we do on a daily basis on the TikTok platform. All right, so I don't know if I'm the only one that is seeing this right now, or you probably might have noticed it. Okay, but then you want to protect your TikTok account because there's one thing about these Americans, all right? They always want to come up with one or two restrictions, okay, on all these platforms, okay? If you're very used to the um, socials that they own or that they control, you would have noticed that it is quite different from TikTok. TikTok is had always been fun, okay, for everyone, and it's quite different. It has always been easy for everyone. Okay, so how does this concern you? I'm going to um, give you an insight on how you can get your TikTok points at a cheaper rate. All right. So, for example, if you've been buying from, if you've been buying directly from the app, trust me, you'll be paying more to get your TikTok points because guess what? The App Store or the Google Play Store, all right, they charge their own percentage from these things, all right, from this kind of transactions. All right, so you're spending more if you're buying from the TikTok app. Okay, so what is the best way to go about this? The best way to go about this is to go through the TikTok website. Just uh, enter in your Google search, just enter TikTok points, all right, or in your uh, search bar on the internet on your browser. Okay, you might just want to enter something like www.tiktok.com/coin. All right, and it's going to take you to the official website of TikTok. All right, where you will be able to get at 25% discount. Yes, this is possible because you're not buying through the app right now, where Google Play Store or your App Store have to charge from the transaction. So right now it's directly from the website, so that's why it's possible for you to get at 25% discount. All right, but then for you to be able to do this, you are going to need a US dollar card, or you are going to need a PayPal account that can do transactions like this. All right, so right now I'm just going to go to my TikTok app and show you the figures in numbers so that you can see for yourself, right? And then decide what's best for you. But guess what? Some people are even buying much more expensive than from the app because I know some people are buying from vendors online. Some vendors sell as high as 36,000 naira for 1,000 coins. That's like 3,600 per 100 coins, which is really, really expensive. Some sell at the rate of 3K for 100 coins and 30K for 1,000 coins. It is also way, way expensive because guess what? If you're buying directly from the app, you are buying at the rate of 23,000 naira for 1,000 coins. You're buying directly from the TikTok app as a Nigerian TikToker. All right. But then I believe the challenge there is that most Nigerian cards don't work for stuff like this. All right, it's not the fault of TikTok. All right, trust me, it's your government. Okay, but it's not the fault of TikTok. I not the reason why it's like that. But even at that 23,000 naira per 1,000 coin from the app, you're still buying um, at a much more expensive rate because from the website it's way cheaper. So let us delve into this together. Give me one moment and I'll take you right into the app and also show you what it's like on the website. All right, guys. So this is the TikTok app, and this is my recharge, my balance page. Okay. So we're going to click on Get Points right here. So as you can see for yourself, you can get 5 points for 120 naira. You can get 10 points for 240 naira. So if you do the math, so that means you're getting 1 coin at the rate of 24 naira. All right, on the TikTok app, from the TikTok app. So which means that uh, 1,000 points is going to be about 24,000 naira. We're getting it from the TikTok app. All right, so now let's go to the website www.tiktok.com/points, or just type in TikTok points on the Google search bar. Okay, so I've already entered the details. So tiktok.com/point. Already entered the details in my browser so that this video will be as quick as possible. All right, so you can see now for yourself that if you're getting it from here, okay, that is already stated there that save around 25% with the lower third-party fee. So you can see for yourself that 100 points is 1,800 naira compared to 2,400 that we saw on the app. So that means that if you're buying 1,000 points from here, you're paying only 18,000 naira. You're paying 18,000 naira only. And it can even get better because the more you're buying, the more discount they are even giving you. Because, for instance, if you look at this 500 points here, it's saying 8,800 naira. All right, so that means you even got more discount because you're buying more coins. All right, so that means eventually you'll be spending less than 18,000 naira if you're buying 1,000 coins direct from the website, as compared to 24,000 naira if you're buying from the app, as you can see for yourself. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you find a way around this. I hope you'll be able to create your US dollar card, because guess what? It is through your US dollar card that this will all make sense to you. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, I believe you've seen for yourself now how you can get your TikTok coin at a cheaper rate. All right, when you're getting it from the website, you're getting 1,000 coins at the rate of 18,000 naira or less. And if you're getting from through the app, through the TikTok app, all right, because of the Play Store and App Store charges, you're getting it at the rate of 24,000 naira. So you choose, you decide which one you want to do. But like I said earlier, you're going to need a dollar card for this. All right. So if you already have one, congratulations to you. All right, but if you don't, you might want to reach out to me through the comment section or send me a direct message, okay, on how you can get that at a very, 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 very affordable rate. All right. When I say affordable, it doesn't mean that I'm charging you. I'm not charging you a dime for this. I'm just going to put you through it step by step. All right. And guess what? There are some platforms where you can get this virtual dollar card at a much more higher rate or expensive rate. Okay, so I'll give you the best of the best. All right, so just reach out to me through the comment section or just send me a direct message, and I am going to put you through that. And you already have this working for you, and you already know how to get these coins at the cheaper rates. Okay, you might just also want to buy with me, and then let's drop minds together and see how other people can also save while they are having fun on this platform, this beautiful platform called TikTok, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so in our next video, we are going to talk about how you can withdraw your earnings from TikTok. All right, so the popular one here in Nigeria is usually Payoneer, but guess what? I have a secret on how you can also use your PayPal to withdraw here in Nigeria, and it is very, very easy. If you have some money there and you want to withdraw, just let me know. Okay, and if you tried all of this stuff and it's still not working for you, guess what? Here to put you through. Okay, in case you want to get some points, you always get to get some challenges. And even with all this thing that I have said here, if you still have not found it very easy for you to do it, I can always help you through the process, and I am not going to charge you any extra fees. All right, I am just going to make sure that you get that very, very affordable rate. All right, so um, that's it for this video. Let me know what you would like us to record next as regards this beautiful platform for TikTok meditations. All right, I'll see you on the other side. Don't forget this. I love you so much. Stay blessed. Bye. The best. Salute.